I think everybody's seen the. I think everybody's seen the Michael Moore feature, Bowling for Columbine. So everybody sort of.
Hey, fuck off!
So everybody sort of had a good thing to say about the Canadians. You know, Canadians do not use guns. They use guns for hunting. They do not use guns for killing people.
Yeah.
You know the beautiful thing about being a Canadian is people would think that we're just useless and innocent, and then all of a sudden we would show you that we weren't. You know what? Tell me,
okay,
as a European, an Eastern European, your view. What do you honestly think of Canada?
Are you? thing here in Croatia. It's called, say it, prezbušt.
What is it made from?
Something like haggis.
It's something. It's made out of pigs' intestines.
No, it's like pig's stomach filled with pig meat and oatmeal, some types of spices, and
really
So
close
it's
to
basically
haggis.
the same. So say it, prezbušt.
Except the haggis comes from sheep.
yeah.
Say it, prezbušt.
Prezbušt.
Ah, yeah, you rule.
You're natural.
This is for a new album. This is a very old song. It's a very good song.
One question: where's the beer?
I was supposed to ask you that.
It's so cheap.
beer.
You're
It's so fucking cheap.
You're the only one who got beer.
You guys want to split this?
No,
we don't care enough.
You guys are straight edge anyway.
We want beer of our own.
You want beer
We
without
don't want to
alcohol
split
in
some
it.
beer with a Canadian. We want a beer of our own.
They don't give a fuck. I'm driving home.
Whiskey's got whiskey.
This next song is called 100 Miles.